I absolutely love this thing. Right now it's damp mopping my floor and it does an awesome job. You can use any kind of cleaning solution you want to in it. And it also will sweep the floor. First I swept the floor, now I'm mopping it. It has a pad for the damp mop on the bottom side of it. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I would have a little robot to mop my floor, but here I am, just living the dream. And this little guy is the iRobot, and he's available on Amazon. It's actually ILIFE, and he's available on Amazon, and it was only a little over $100. It's marked down considerably right now.
Okay guys, so I really loved this vacuum in the beginning. However, this piece keeps breaking. I've glued it multiple times. This one cover is still fully intact. I actually took the cover off and just pushed this piece down so that it would vacuum. But I can't tell you how many times I've glued this. And this is what we're currently dealing with. As you can see, it just keeps breaking. I've tried to glue it obviously multiple times and it keeps breaking. I've literally had it less than a year. I'm very disappointed. It vacuumed great. Mopping was okay, but this is just, yeah. So now I've resorted to pushing down the piece where the lid is supposed to.
Where are you going, bub? Mikey. You're not even gonna move.
Okay, I want to show you how much stuff I just got while this ran, while I was putting supper in the crock pot. I cleaned this out, the filter and all, emptied it completely out. You think you got clean floors, and you get such a surprise. The amount of stuff this thing picks up is absolutely crazy. I swear we're still getting drywall dust out of our floor too, from finishing the basement, but
That crowd. Oh, hooray.
Can you see the pad on the back? I rinsed it once and put the new one on, and I'll rinse it out again before it gets done.
Well, it has great vacuum power to it. It really vacuums very well. And now I have the mop on, and it's doing a beautiful job. As you can see, my floors look nice. And it's been running for 2 hours. I don't know how long it's supposed to run, but it does.
Llegó Zoila, limpiando aquí en la casa.
There's nothing here. Everything is fine with it.
Aquí les presento a Esperancita, la nueva sirvienta de la casa. Va a limpiar todo, Coco todavía no la soporta. ¡Coco!
I've done this. I know, it's difficult. It just is in circles and circles and circles. I think that like we are stuff in so many beautiful ways. I think that